If you want to install any app on Google Play Store and the app keeps on pending and is not downloading, like this, then you're on the right video. For the solution, you need to go back to previous page, then type on your Gmail logo here. If you don't see your Gmail here, then you might see 3 horizontal lines in the right side. So type on it. Then type on Settings. Then type on Network Preferences. And type on App Download Preferences. And type on the first option over any network. And then type on Done. After that, type on Auto Update Apps. And select the third option, Don't Auto Update Apps. Then type on Done. After that, type on General and go to Account and Device Preferences, and then look for History and clear Search History. Then type on Clear Wishlist and type on Clear. After that, go to your phone settings and look for Applications and Permissions. Here it is. Type on it. Now type on App Manager and look for Google Play Store. And type on Google Play Store. Then type on Internal Storage. And type on Clear Data. Then type on OK. Then type on Clear Cache. After that, go back. And go to Google Play Services. Then type on Internal Storage. Then you need to clear data. Then type on Clear Cache. Then go to your Play Store. And again type here. Then go to Settings. Go to Network Preferences. Then again go to Auto Update Apps. And again select the third option, Don't Auto Update Apps. If it has changed as due to clearing data and cache, the settings might have changed. Then go back and install any app you want. I want to install Scan to PDF app. As you can see, it has started installing the app successfully. Now let me open it. Here we go. Now my Play Store is working fine. And yeah, that's it. Now enjoy your Play Store. If you still have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.